Hello
Okay. Hello
everyone.
everyone. Welcome to our podcast.
Yeah.
And first, let me introduce ourselves. And my name is Valen.
My name is Ricardo.
My name is Tio.
And today we have a guest star. And this is okay. Let introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Al. Yeah.
Oh, hello
Oh,
El.
hi.
Hey,
Where are you from El?
I'm come from Magelang.
Okay. Are you excited to
Excited to
podcast with us?
us.
Of course.
Oh, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Oh yeah. You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay, so today we have a really interesting topic. We're going to talk about experience abroad, cultural differences, language, and more.
Wow.
Okay.
Very excited.
And the first, I wanna ask you a question, Al.
Mhm.
What was your first impression when you arrived in a new country?
Wow.
And which your country have you visited?
Last country I visit is in South Korea.
Oh,
Wow, South Korea.
South
You
Korea.
ever go to
Not
Tio?
Korea.
No.
Tio?
Tio?
North Korea? No,
Oh.
thank
You
you.
always go to North Korea?
No.
Tio is go to North Korea.
No,
Oh
no,
Not
wow.
no.
yet.
I want
Yeah.
to go to
So-
Israel.
Oh wow.
Okay.
So in South Korea there are a lot of new culture that I have to face. The one of that is how I speak. I manage to speak to the other people that are the new culture I have to face.
You speak with English or with Korean language?
I have to speak in English.
So
Oh, English.
English is
Oh.
the most common.
Yes.
What challenge did you face when adjusting to a new culture in South Korea?
I have to adjust that. I have to prepare myself also to talk to see the other people, to see the new culture, because yeah, there are a lot of differences between Indonesia, so we have to prepare it. We have to know the differences.
Can you give me a example differences Korea with Indonesian?
The culture?
The culture, the Korean in Indonesia is there are some of the differences, like when you have to talk to the other people, you have to know uh the gender of the people, because there are a lot of pronunciation you have to see, like uh for the girl to the older man you have to say opa and so on, hyong and like
Oh.
that, so you have to know what pronunciation you have to use when you talk to the other people.
Wow, so interesting.
I think it's so complicated. Yeah.
like in
right?
Java.
Yeah, like in
Mas and
Java,
Ba.
mas and ba. Yeah,
Oh.
So you did learn a new language, right?
of course.
Korea, like you learn to how to talk with them with the different culture.
Yes.
Do you can speak Korean?
No.
But you have the culture difference with the. You have like a culture shock.
Culture shock, maybe doesn't have the big culture shock, because me and my family is really uh favorite the Korean culture, and we love to see the Korean drama or the Korean music or something else. So we doesn't have a lot of culture shock that we face, because we know before we go to Korea we know the culture, so we don't face a lot of culture shock.
Oh. You visit Korea, but you like drakor,
Yes.
food.
Food and drakor, yeah, maybe, because my mom is have to go to some places, because my mom is see that from the drakor from that place, so yeah, we go to that place to see the Napak Tilas.
Oh,
Oh,
Napatilas.
okay.
Okay. Oh yeah,
the
I
food.
want you to ask you. You in Korea, where you go?
I go
Busan,
to,
maybe?
yeah, to Busan.
Seoul.
Seoul is the city of the Korea, yeah. And there are some places like Gyeongbokgung places. So we have Gyeongbokgung is
Gyeongbokgung?
the kingdom
What
palace.
is it?
So
Oh, Kingdom
so
Palace.
yeah, there are a lot of culture also in that place, because you have to know how to use your outfit on that place. You have to use your shoes. You have to use, yeah, something else like that, because
Formal.
yeah, the formal outfit for to the kingdom palace, like that.
You enjoy in Korea or in Indonesia? With your honest.
Honestly, I enjoy in Korea because
Why?
because
Do you
because
not love Indonesia?
yeah, I love Indonesia, but of course I enjoy in Korea because there are a lot of new experience that I have to face. Like
Mm.
I in Korea in 7 days, so I have to adjust myself also. But unfortunately, I love the food on that place, so I really love to live in Korea. Maybe sometimes, so maybe I decide to go to Korea, not in Indonesia.
How long you in Korea? 2 months or 1 year?
5 years?
10 years.
10 years?
Maybe if
Or
someday I have
forever?
to go to in Korea, maybe like maybe forever.
Wow.
Huh?
Yeah,
With whom?
yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
I think with
let's
your
see.
okay, with your family or
Yeah.
with your girlfriend.
Uh,
Uh,
no, with my girlfriend lah.
your wife. Your
Yeah,
wife.
at least fiance lah.
In your
Oh.
wow. With PDD or not?
Oh wow! Thank you,
It's
Beyonce.
manifesting.
Okay. I want to ask you about in your vision in your future. Maybe you like in Korea,
Mm.
but if you stay or still in Indonesia, what happened with you? Are you sad or
Yeah, it's okay because Indonesia is my birthplace, so I have to proud of Indonesia. There are a lot of culture also in Indonesia, and I have to know that Indonesia is very uh a lot of things that interested, but sometimes the Indonesian people doesn't have to explore all the place. So maybe for Indonesian people have to know the culture well, and we have to bring Indonesian culture to everyone. So everyone must know that Indonesia is also the rich. But I also that's okay if I have to live in Indonesia. But yeah, maybe like that.
Okay.
mm,
Okay.
about
And
attitude Indonesia and Korea?
Mm.
Maybe better Indonesia.
I think it's Korea, right?
The
Attitude.
attitude is
Indonesian, right?
uh in the country of Konoha.
Oh.
You have to
Wow.
you have to
People call it Wakanda,
yeah,
right?
people call it Wakanda. Maybe I will answer it to Korea because the Korean people that I see, yeah, because Korea is they have a lot of like the announcement that they are the best country for to visit
Oh.
because
Korea?
yeah, to
Do
Korea.
you hate Indonesia? No, I'm just
Mm.
kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
And please.
Just
Because
kidding, yeah.
Don't do that.
yeah, because in Korea, I have said before, like the pronunciation for the someone like Mas Mbak is they are different.
Oh,
So Mas
okay.
Mbak in Indonesia has two Mas and Mbak,
Yes.
but in Korea there are four because like for
Opa.
the Oppa, Hyung,
Hyung.
Hyung and sister.
Hyung
I
is
forgot.
kakak, right?
Hyung is
Brother.
for the brother.
Oh, brother.
Oh.
Mm. So the man with the older brother, but
Okay.
with man with the older sister and sister with the other sister is different again. That
Okay.
Okay, I
But
see.
case in Korea, suicide rate is so
mm, so
high.
high.
I
In
think
Indonesia?
no,
Also?
Indonesia.
Indonesia also.
Also, but not like high as Korea.
Oh,
There are also a lot of news in Indonesia. They have do a suicide maybe in
yes.
X. They're not
Mm.
in television because Indonesian people doesn't like to uh yeah to see the television, but as a Gen Z, as a Gen Alpha, for nowadays they use X rather than television. So maybe the suicide in Korea is also there are a lot. Yeah, there are a lot of frustrated people around that place, but I don't know, the suicide will be uh can be can be more specific in Indonesia because I live in Indonesia, so far so I know the society that in Indonesia is still like the problem.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Did learning the language is maybe make your mental health apa ya?
Change.
Like
change your
tertekan.
mental health. Yeah.
dengan perubahan bahasa ini.
Oh,
Different concept.
so maybe mental health
Yes.
is important for us also to before we went to the other places. So like I went to Korea, I have to prepare my mental first before I have to speak in a lot of people in the other people, the stranger, because yeah, mental is important for us to prepare what we should to talk with people, what we should have to be a person that maybe when we talk to people doesn't have to be like the panic. Yeah, you
Okay.
have to
Okay.
prepare your mental because mental is yeah
Very
important.
Okay.
Okay. The
And
challenge is you be more confident.
Yes, we have to more confident.
And now you can speak Korea. Maybe
No.
there's one sentence.
No.
Special
No.
now.
Maybe like konnichiwa.
What is konnichiwa?
Konnichiwa is Japan.
Oh, I'm wrong.
Korea like
Konnichiwa. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요, 사랑해.
Janan Falena Yogi.
Oh, Valen, you can.
Oh, oh, maybe Valen.
Little.
Okay.
A little.
Can you speak?
No.
Oh no.
I just wanna introduce like 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Janan Falenio. Yeah, just
Okay.
like that.
Wait.
Okay.
저는 Valen입니다.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
You follow or you interesting towards influencer from Korea?
I follow the K-pop idol rather than
Your
the
idol, right?
influencer. Yes.
K-pop.
My K-pop idol.
NCT?
Who? There are a lot. Yeah.
Blackpink.
There. Yeah,
NCT.
Blackpink. Last concert I met
Oh,
her in Blackpink, 17 and Day6.
Oh yeah, the point of the different culture in Indonesia and Korea, I think is the number one is about culture dance, right? Indonesia maybe less with group K-pop gitu, and in Korea maybe many group dance like K-pop and then girls K-pop
Oh
and
yeah.
men K-pop.
Yeah, there are a lot of differences between Indonesia and Korea because I think the K-pop group is have a big influence in music for like the Indonesian also, like
For in the
maybe
world.
yeah, for the world, because when we back to in 2010 maybe I guess, and it's have a girls generation, and in Indonesia there are also a Seven Icon or Cherry Bell or something.
But
It's the influence from
JKT48.
yeah, JKT48 is also from AKB, from
Okay,
Japan. But
Oh, yeah.
maybe
Not
yeah,
Korea. Sorry,
but
sorry.
like the some of Cherry Bell songs is very the same as your generation from the Korea. So Korea is have an influence in making a girl group or the boy group. I think like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe you can give us what practical tips
Yeah.
to building relationship in a new place, like new country or new school.
About the culture,
Yeah.
about the norms,
Practical tips
and
is
etc.
before you go to some places you have to know what is the culture we have to face, and before we go we have to know that the different culture we have to face in some places, so we have to learning some new culture before we go, because when we arrive in some places we have to know what we should do too.
Okay.
We know the
Okay.
norms and we know what
Yeah, we have to
do.
learn
Yeah.
before we go.
Okay. Thank you, Al, for your sharing.
Thank you for your time
time.
sharing and your enthusiasm with us.
Oh yeah.
Enthusiasm. Okay.
Maybe we want to end our podcast. Valen, you can closing.
Okay. I hope these stories can be helpful for anyone thinking about traveling abroad. Thanks again. I hope you all enjoy it. See you next time, everyone. Thank
Yay,
you,
bye-bye.
guys.
Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
Al.